Education Minister ila khot yakren yangi te akabai dei bat kane ngiwan ra akmat jongpi ki paranohikai langin le yakren ne inle kumno takadi number 1. So we are here to announce to all our SSA colleagues that few minutes back we have received a message from the magistrate that the Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui have invited us for a talk. So now it depends on you as us and SSA teachers whether we will go and meet the Education Minister or what is your decision.
We will meet more.
Hindi na itumbo mo. Singap mo.
No, you'll meet what they do.
Singap mo. Singap jai. Te तो nakaliang jongli ka message to bangin
We cannot go from the corner, we want from the front.
We are not thief to go from the corner.
Yes.
We are not thief. We are not
Yung
thief.
David Sir, malay na kendong. Malay na kendong. Pangabian na malay. Sir, Sir, Ramsyang ini yang berhangga. Problem di Jongno. Problem Jongno Ramsyang ini yang berhangga. Dan ayat lapoi malki kata. Problem Jongno kata. Sesuai lah lapoi It is our frustration.
Just tell him. Just tell him what they have said. What they have said. Just go to it. You go what we have demanded to the Secretary of Peace, sir.
Even if we say so, sir, every teachers can get to what we will do. Come from there. Dan nilai apa yang kita punya? Siap, pay order you. Bukan away, makin ada away order kata.
What we have demanded to the Secretary of Peace. But what to do? Just announce them. What need to be done?
Sarkar bangsa, Sarkar bangsa, Labang siang isiau seorang ni. Lelakinya kuat penilai lah sekretariat kita sampai yang ni ada.
Please, listen carefully, okay?
Lohikai sukar kuma. Kalau lohikai, why?
Please calm down. Our President, Sir Aristotle, will tell us to give.
Hadu dalam kanti syukhat. Dalam apa yang hadu kanti syukhat. Lagu bersuara you. Asrap yang kasut. Yang culian, yang culian yang cemalki. Ilasaran hadu kanti. Gisimkan hadu angkasa. Tangan tidak susah anda hidupnya. Orang siapa lain tu nak apa yang nak kirim lah. Dalam siang ini apa ni tu? Nak malki sah macam ni.